Hello guys, so I just got home from the gym and I am starving. As you can already tell by the title, we will be making some chicken lettuce wraps. So let's get cooking. Go ahead and add your olive oil to your skillet and add your chicken. Now go ahead and cook your chicken for a little bit. Add your minced garlic. And your chopped onions. Add your ginger, hoisin sauce, soy sauce. Now allow this to cook until the onions are softened. While the chicken is simmering, go ahead and chop your water chestnuts. This will add some nice crunch to it. Add your water chestnuts and your green onions. After adding your green onions, go in with some sriracha sauce because I like it to have a little spice to it. Add some black pepper and a little bit of salt to bring all that delicious flavor. After adding the salt and pepper, give it a taste if it needs any additional seasoning, and you can always adjust the seasonings to your liking. Hello guys, so my chicken is ready and I am ready to put my lettuce wraps together. And I like to just grab some lettuce, fill it up with my chicken, and I like to add more fresh green onions on top and a little bit of sriracha sauce. Cheers! Thank you so much for having lunch with me today. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to make this recipe, and I'll catch you guys later.